In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a sent email from Outlook as an MSG file and upload it to OneDrive. First, open your Microsoft 365 apps by clicking the 9-dot app launcher on the left side of the screen. This opens the panel with all your available apps. From there, click Outlook to launch your mailbox. Give Outlook a moment to load. You may see a spinner or a message saying it's loading. That's normal. Sometimes there's an extra moment while your inbox and folders finish preparing in the background, so be patient and let it complete. Once Outlook is ready, go to your Sent Items folder. This is where all the emails you've sent are stored. Open the sent email you want to save and quickly check that it's the correct message. Make sure it has the right subject, recipients, and any attachments you expect. Verifying now prevents you from downloading the wrong item. With the message open, look for the three dots menu, often called More Actions. Click that to reveal additional options. In the menu, choose Download. You may see a choice of formats. Select Download as MSG. The MSG format preserves the original Outlook structure, including headers and attachments, which is ideal for archiving or sharing with others who use Outlook. Your browser may confirm that the file is downloading. By default, it usually goes to your Downloads folder. Take note of the file name and where it's saved so you can find it in the next step. Now head to OneDrive. Click the app launcher again and select OneDrive to open your cloud storage. Once OneDrive loads, click My Files to make sure you're in your main file area. This is typically where you'll organize and store documents you want to keep. You'll be choosing the file you downloaded earlier. On the left side, click Create or Upload to start the upload process. When the file picker opens, navigate to your Downloads folder, select the MSG file you just saved, and confirm. OneDrive will begin uploading the file and you'll see it appear in your My Files list once it's finished. If you need to keep things organized, you can move the file into a folder later, but the important part is that the MSG file is now safely stored in OneDrive. That's it. You opened Outlook, confirmed the correct sent email, downloaded it as an MSG file, and uploaded it to OneDrive for secure access anywhere.